Wasps are annoying, dangerous, and can quickly ruin just about any outdoor activity. Worse yet, they can cause painful stings or even dangerous allergic reactions to you and your family. And they make themselves right at home, at your home. Introducing WaspFix, the super easy way to attract, trap, and eliminate wasps fast. Make your backyard a wasp-free zone so it's safer and more peaceful without the annoying pests around. Simply add a lure like fruit juice and screw on the top. Its bright color and irresistible scent vortex lures wasps in, then keeps them in thanks to the no-escape funnel. When ready to empty, just fill, drain, and reuse again and again. Best of all, the handy clip hanger allows you to hang it just about anywhere. Unlike those other traps that advertise your pest problem, it looks like a beautiful gem in your backyard. And WaspFix is chemical-free, so it's safe to use around kids and pets. WaspFix is totally reusable, so it'll continue to remove those stinging pests for years to come. Pests go in, but never come out, making your home a wasp-free zone. Put a stop to the wasp with WaspFix.